Hey everyone, welcome back to the BytePhase channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to deactivate an employee account in BytePhase CRM, a quick and secure way to revoke system access. Start by logging into your admin account. From the left sidebar, go to the Employee section. On the Employee listing page, find the employee you want to deactivate. Click the Action button next to their name. From the drop-down, click on the Deactivate option. You'll be asked to confirm the deactivation. Once confirmed, the employee will be automatically logged out of the system. From that moment on, the employee will no longer be able to log in or access any part of your CRM. And that's it. Deactivating employees in BytePhase CRM is quick, safe, and keeps your business access tightly managed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and BytePhase updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help.